Hey friends, Paul here, back at you with another fragrance video. I'm so intrigued by the scent of frankincense and myrrh with a touch of Texas juniper, otherwise known as cedarwood oil. It's really juniper oil. That I'm going to make a cologne for this. Now I'm going to start with a witch hazel base here, and I've added some into this. And then with the myrrh, I'm going to put, whoa, man, that comes out. That's got to be careful with this stuff. This stuff is really gooey. You can see that myrrh just grabbing onto the glass there. It's really gooey stuff. And then I'm going to put about 3 drops of frankincense oil in there, 3 or 4 drops of that. And I'm going to put 1 drop of this cedarwood oil. Really, it's juniper oil, Texas cedarwood oil, really juniper. Only 1 drop, because this stuff, whoa, that's too much. That's going to be too much. Yeah, you got to be really careful. Actually, I'll go ahead and add some more witch hazel to that. And then what I want to do is I want to mix this stuff all up. All right, friends, it's the following day, and I've got a nice shave here. If you want, check out my vintage razor shaving vids. So I'm going to use this frankincense myrrh aftershave cologne. You can see the nice milky white color that comes out of combining that with the witch hazel. Did a little research on this, and apparently myrrh was used as a skin conditioner and also for embalming bodies in ancient times, especially in Egypt. Yeah, myrrh was used as a skin conditioner. Apparently, it was believed that it reduced aging of the skin, and it nourishes the skin. So it's completely safe to put on the skin, as is frankincense. Is going to give it that tingling. Oh, already I put just a drop of that Texas cedarwood oil in there, or really juniper oil, and I can smell that kind of smokiness coming out. Wow, one thing I can tell already, my fingers have a little bit of a kind of a sticky viscosity, and that is because of that myrrh resin. But I tell you, it feels really nice on the skin, and a little bit of that brightness coming through the frankincense. Almost like a moisturizing cream a little bit as I rub it into my skin, and that is because of that myrrh. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up and post your comments below. I look forward to hearing from you if you're into DIY aftershave colognes. And thanks for watching.